What if, in a twist of fate, the rulers of the earth were not us humans, but a super species of bears? Imagine a world where the bear, not man, is the apex predator, the primary thinker, the dominant species. This isn't just a fanciful thought, it's a potential reality that we are going to explore today. Our tale begins in a world much like our own, but with a key difference. In this reality, the boundaries of genetic engineering have been pushed beyond their limits. Scientists, in their relentless pursuit of knowledge and progress, have crossed the lines of the natural order. They've created a new species, a super species of bears, combining the traits of every bear on the taxonomic family tree. These bears are more than just physically superior, they're highly intelligent, capable of complex thought and problem solving. They're attuned to the world around them in ways we can't even begin to comprehend. They don't just survive in their environment, they understand it, manipulate it, and control it. But with great power comes great responsibility, a responsibility that these bears have shirked. Instead of living in harmony with the world, they've turned against mankind. They're no longer content with being the guardians of the forest, they want more. They're competing with humans, challenging us for control of the forest and domination of the earth. So, how did we get here? How did these bears become the super species they are today? It all began with a simple question. What if we could create a species that was not just a product of evolution, but a masterpiece of genetic engineering? A species that could adapt to any environment, overcome any obstacle, outthink any adversary. The answer to that question was the super species of bears. Through a combination of genetic manipulation and selective breeding, scientists were able to create a bear that was stronger, smarter, and more adaptable than any other. They were able to combine the best traits of every bear species, creating a creature that was truly the king of the animal kingdom. But as the bears grew in power and intelligence, so too did their ambition. They began to see themselves not as part of the natural order, but as rulers of it. They turned against their creators, against mankind, and began to fight for control of the world. Now we find ourselves in a world where we are no longer the dominant species. We are in a battle with the super species of bears for control of the earth. We are no longer the hunters, but the hunted. We are no longer the rulers, but the ruled. To summarize, the super species of bears are the result of advanced genetic engineering and selective breeding. They're highly intelligent, incredibly adaptable, and fiercely ambitious. They've turned against mankind and are now competing with us for control of the world. In a world ruled by bears, the roles have been reversed. We are no longer the dominant species, but the underdogs. We are no longer the rulers, but the ruled. It's a world that's both terrifying and fascinating, a world that challenges everything we know about the natural order. So, what will the future hold? Will we be able to reclaim our place as the dominant species, or will we be forever overshadowed by the super species of bears? Only time will tell. For now, all we can do is watch, wait, and wonder.